my channel. Today I just got my another Shopee, so we're gonna open it. And I'm afraid no one's helping me because there is a wire. Yeah.
What do you get?
Here we got the bullets, the Nerf gun. I need a good thing, so we will get a scissors here. Oh, really hard. Okay, so my mom is gonna unbox it. So we got some red bullets. Right, because of Spiderman. See, Spiderman. So I just unboxed my Nerf gun. So we're gonna shoot it upstairs, but no, we're gonna shoot. A one, a two, a one, two, three. That is not. Oh, we can put the bullet here. Except for two bullets, we're gonna. Except there's no space. Now the time. I guess. Another turn. Ah! Turn. I'm still laughing because of Atlas is almost shooting Leah's face because I like shooting because I like the person who not likes me.